Hitman, Hugn presented to the driver, shows exemplary sportsman on and off the derby track. Every year. This award will be hung in the Point of Barrel Community Center where he was from. Recipients. They've shown exemplary sportsmanship on and off the track. Help guys out. Like I said, I want to present it to Kyle Patton and Lord James.
Aurelia, sponsored by his hero, his dad. Make some noise for the little ones on their four-wheel toys. 54, reigning Marion from Victoria Harbor. She played Demolition Derby of Penetang and came home with a trophy. She's looking to double down, looking to make it 2 in a row here in Gravenhurst, Ontario. 44, he's a competitor. We've seen him at the Cold Waterfall Fair. It's Tyson Reed from Severn Bridge, a hometown boy, a hometown hero. And we also have another hometown boy, hometown hero, 07 Jaden Cole, looking strong in the middle of the ring. We're going to line them up. When I hear the whistle, we are going to count them down, and we are going to play Power Wheel Destruction Demolition Derby. We've got them almost ready in the middle of the ring. Mr. Lex, our head flagman from Kingston, Ontario, is here. This is the only time we allow the parents in the ring. So here we go. We bringing in another competitor. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a beautiful day here in Severn Bridge, all part of a great winter carnival, the Gravenhurst Winter Carnival. We are live, we are before your very eyes, and it's almost time to have Power Wheels Destruction Demolition Derby time. Looks like the parents are getting ready. Looks like the competitors are all confident and ready to go. Did I hear that whistle? The whistles will go on. Do I see a green flag in the air? I do. Ladies and gentlemen, children don't have any patience. Count it down from 3, 2, 1. And here we go. We're coming in from the pole position. We're going to go round and around, and where we go, only the little ones know. Back, smash, bash, crash, bang, chills, thrills, and spills. It's Destruction Demolition Derby, Power Wheel style. Round and around we go. We're looking at smashing and crashing, banging and chilling. We have 4 Power Wheels cars. Bumping and grinding, smashing and crashing. It's 5 minutes of demolition derby time. 5 minutes. He's up on 2 wheels, taking out the side driver's door of 202. Coming out of the middle of the ring, looking strong, is 04. 202, J.R. Hunter, Naughton from Aurelia, looking strong, 54. Rain and Marion from Victoria Harbor, 44. Tyson Reed, 07, still playing Destruction Demolition Derby. Gravenhurst, show them some fun, show them some love, make some noise. 2 minutes, 2 minutes left, 2 minutes left, 2 minutes. Looks like we have 1 minute left. We're lining them up in the middle, trying to get one more big crash. 30 seconds. 25. Oh, it's a hit and a miss. And a big hit. 20. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the whistle sound, the red's up, and all competitors must come to a complete stop. And we are going to get all our moms and dads, and we're going to get the right here. Who is the Gravenhurst incredible back decorating car? Destruction Demolition Derby. All Heat 1 cars, bring them down to ringside, please. Alright, here we go. Shut them off. We're going to start at the front. Ladies and gentlemen, when you hear the whistle, see the flag, make some noise if you feel that car or van is your best decorated. Get loud, get proud for 28-14, Mr. Don Turner. Before we go to the next car, I want to personally thank Don Turner for working all week on building this ring. I want to thank Gravenhurst Towing and Recovery for making sure that all you guys get all your tows done. But Don has been with this event for over 30 years, and he's the one with the Gravenhurst Winter Carnival that is part of the reason why this event at this demolition derby goes on. Thank you, Don. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the middle car right there. I can't see the number. Make some noise. Looks like we got some friends everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, she's a competitor all over Ontario. Make some noise for 54, Amy Patton. Girl power is in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, bringing up the rear, it's double nickel 55. Make some noise. All right, we got 2. You know, ladies and gentlemen, we were for the first time in Pennsylvania Machine yesterday. And I've been here for almost 20 years. And you guys were a rowdy bunch last year, and they were rowdy yesterday. Make some noise if you want to see 194 win! That's better. The sun is out and you've come alive. You're going that way. Make some noise for car number 54. You gotta do it again. Well, Amy, really? Make some noise, 194, let's go! Make some noise, 54!
Split, we gotta split!
We're gonna give 2 trophies away. I've never seen that done before. Alright, 2 trophies away because we're gonna get one more over here. We'll give Amy the best decorator, we'll give the other guy the 194 Heat winner trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna get this junk out of here.